the Huawei Watch GT2 in 46mm and matte black.
How was the connecting experience? I'm going to read something to you. Note, stay calm if you cannot find your device.
Huawei are making huge claims about this watch. It is a revolutionary power solution.
Yeah, what does it even mean though?
To me, a power solution is something that powers something.
Okay, you think the watch can do that?
I don't think it can do that at all, but it's also a professional sports trainer.
Okay, so that's you talking about me or the watch.
Both of you. And on top of that, it is an everyday life assistant.
So these are pretty big claims. Question number one, question of the day. You guys, do you know what GT stands for GT2? We didn't Google it. We thought you guys can let us know in the comments below. We thought the first thought that came into our mind is Gran Turismo. I'm not sure that works for a watch. And companies are really getting smarter these days, aren't they? They are producing more smartwatches, and we think that is a really smart move.
We do, and the good thing about this is that it is available not only on Android, but also on iOS.
It's got these super fancy customizable watch faces, super 1.39-inch OLED Super AMOLED screen, and we're gonna find out if the claims are really true. Huawei. Did I say it properly?
Huawei.
If you are new to our channel, please make sure you like and subscribe. Question number 2, do you have a smartwatch? Let us know which one. If yes, let us know in the comments below. So should we have a look what's in the box? Packaging looks really nice, I have to say. That is kind of really premium for the pricing. We paid 229 euros for that. And let's see what's in the box. Let's open that up then. Nice. Do you want to hold on to the watch?
Yeah. Packaging actually looks nicer than the fossil.
Oh, definitely, 100%. So the charger is in here. You got some documentation. The cable is in here. You do have a lot of the quick start guide, warranty card, in case you need it. And again, the box itself is nice. Let's get the charger out. There's something important we have to mention. It looks like there is a USB-C connection port charger here. That's pretty cool. And more companies are catching up. Why is not everybody doing it? It makes life so much easier.
This is very true. So, oh my goodness, what do you think about it so far?
15% transferring. 15% is 15 minutes. Oh, it's just 16%. But it's doing an update and it takes a long time. But we tried to pair this for a long time also. So we tried to pair this for 20 minutes and we got it to work. But I'm going to read you something on their help website. No, stay calm if you cannot find your device, as it might be caused by a network failure. Don't worry, just switch to another network and touch. Don't worry about it. But it was a freaking nightmare. I had to disconnect a phone from the watch out of the box, and it apparently was connected to a phone, so it couldn't find each other. And then we had to jump back and forth, and then it worked.
It was a right royal pain in the bottom, and it's gone dark outside in the meantime.
Yeah, we're at 18%, so it's speeding up. It's speeding up. So what do you think so far?
For me, I don't have time for this in my day.
No. The screen, however, looks beautiful. So we're going to test a lot of more things, but the first time setting up experience.
I tell you something, if we do actually get to a video to test it, it means we haven't thrown it out of the window yet.
We probably used 3 SD cards. So thank you for watching. Yancy from Also Space.
Tony the Car Geek.
Peace out.
Get up. Well, get up. Get up, do the up rock. Get down and shake it when the beat drop. Get up. Well, get up.